Hey, riders. Cone, sweet cone, Mr. G's, Farnsworth, Silver's house, Silver Saloon, Ghosts of Gettysburg, walking tours. Museum of Haunted Objects. Alright, well, Thursday. What is the date? I don't know what the date is. Ah, crap. We actually have cars parking on the street and people. Look at my earlier videos and oh, alright, so here it is. This is the protest for a man who lost his life recently. Due to excessive force by the police. I got the news. Got them on all corners. Mr. George Floyd. I'm not here to provide commentary on anything. I'm just showing you what's going on. Alright, back to our regularly scheduled programming of checking out Gettysburg. So the winds are really picking up. It looks like the threat of thunderstorms has gone. Makes me a little sad. So I don't mind riding in nice warm rain. It is, 80 some degrees out right now. Low 80s. Don't listen to my bike. It lies. Always tells you it's a little hotter than what it is. Which makes me wonder now, when I'm riding in the winter and it says it's 20 couple degrees out, is it 20 couple degrees? Or is it 15? In the teens. Nice. Hunt's Cafe, right on, open. Dobbin House, and as always, 82 coffee. And then there's Tommy's. Dude standing in line. Sorry, May 29th. May 29th that opens back up. Well, that restaurant, man, I gotta get the name of that again. the new Mexican restaurant. Though it was good, the portions were not very big, but it was good. So slightly disappointed in it when you put it up against the other two. Well, there's three Mexican restaurants in town. Now, I should be more well versed in that and their names before I start talking about them. There's one on York Street, east of the Circle. There's Montezuma's, and I know that one way too well. And then Tania's, is it? So Montezuma's is my go-to. That is the best bang for the buck. Service is fast. I've always had a great time there. Tania's, I hope I'm saying that right. They are also very good, but you know, authentic, and it's a cool little place.